Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. How is everybody's New Year's going, y'all? Comment below, how is everybody doing? So guys, guess what? We got some spoilers for the March BoxyLuxe box. Now these are choice items. So if you're excited for this video, y'all go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you don't miss none of these spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was my regrows video. I showed you exactly what it done for my hair, y'all. Congratulations, Minerva's Owl. Minerva's Owl says, how about now? LOL. If y'all don't know what she's talking about, is she first? Girl, you tripped me out, I swear. I love you to death, honey. Thank you so much. And yes, you did, darling. Yeah, you got first comment this time. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and always supporting my channel. I always see you down there, honey. Thank you so much. I love you, girl. If you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Well, stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Again, can you believe it? It's for the March BoxyLuxe box. And again, these are choice items. So if you want to get one of these 3 items. So the first thing is the Tarte Pro Remix palette. Y'all, check out this palette. Amazing. You'll either get this or the SelfTaught Beauty Mini Hair Curling Iron, or you're going to get the Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So again, guys, these are choice items, so keep a lookout for that. If you have not received an email, go on your account, see if you can get it on there. And then again, if you want to be surprised, honey. It's 2020. We are doing what we want in 2020. All right, guys. So guys, that's it. And as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm's link below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, congratulations, Sarah Flowers. Sarah says, hey, girl, hey. Well, hey, girl. How you doing, honey? I hope 2020 is treating you good. I really appreciate you coming on here and watching my video. It really warms my heart, honey. I just can't tell you how much I appreciate it. And thank you so much. I love you, girl. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out. And guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking subscribers, likes, comments. They're taking it all. Trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. Then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all the spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.